Okay, but for real, what is that? So like, Suzuki? I want that, a Suzuki with tracks. What you doing? The these nuts. The Alright you guys, so it's been a crazy week. I'm kind of filming this video in pieces, alright? We're at the shop, we just got to the shop, and today we're talking Harbor Freight tools. But first, I have one little announcement. It's sort of unfortunate. So, I have a second job. I teach Taekwondo, I run a Taekwondo school, and long story short, that we're not going to get into because it's not car or tool related, but I just over doubled my hours. Long story. And so I don't know for sure if 3 times a week is going to happen anymore. Most of the time we upload every Sunday, Monday, and Thursday, but just with all this stuff I have going on, you guys, I don't know if that's going to work. So I'll keep you updated on exactly what the new revised schedule is going to be for now, but I can promise you this, we will at least have 1 upload a week. So for sure, we will have weekly uploads. I want to shoot for 2, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Anyway, we're talking Harbor Freight tools, when it's a good idea to buy them, and how you can make Harbor Freight purchases work for you. The first thing I want to say is that Harbor Freight's warranty is fantastic. Harbor Freight has great customer service. So, as an example, I bought a battery charger and the thing crapped out. Couldn't find my receipt. I think I paid cash for it, so we couldn't even find it in their system. So they had no idea when I bought it, and those kind of things have a very limited time frame that you can return them, and they ended up just returning it to me. And they even said, well, we could just give you the money back as well if you don't want it. That kind of customer service is next to none. So if you have one local and there's something you want to try, go for it. I mean, the warranties are usually pretty good, especially on hand tools. It's a lifetime warranty. So like I said, I got Harbor Freight impact sockets. They work pretty good, hard to screw up a socket, and when they do break, like for example, Toyotas are all 21 mils for all of their passenger cars, the trucks are 22. The 21 gets used all the time. I've broke it twice. So you walk in, you walk out, you have your new tool, life is good. Pretty easy warranty process, so that is one plus. Now, as an example, I'm gonna use this pick set. So I got these picks from Snap-on this week. This was kind of funny. You can see Snap-on pick. I don't know if this is gonna come up on there, but we'll try. It says warning, not a chisel, pry bar, or punch. But this is the Snap-on pick set. Now, why is this relevant? So I had a cheap set of Chinese knockoff, weren't Harbor Freight, so there was no warranty. That's the key. I couldn't return them, and I needed new ones. So I got these, but here's the kicker. On sale, these were $65, but I got a free t-shirt. Free, right? You pay for it. Snap-on though, again, Snap-on even more seamless. They come to you, you warranty out the tool. So I do have some Harbor Freight stuff. A lot of what I keep is Snap-on. Like I said though, $65 for a set of picks. But I'm a big advocate, you guys. If something makes your life easier and you're in this field, something makes your life easier, even just a little bit, you buy that tool. It's worth your money because it's going to save you time, which in turn is going to make you money. As an example, here's my Mac crimper, cutter, wire stripper, all in one. Here's a little clip right here.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
This is the only wire stripper that fits to put our third brake light blinkers in. That is an option when you buy a car from our dealer, and so this thing has saved me a ton of time doing those. As you can see, that's the back window of a Corolla, and this just makes my life a lot easier. So have the right tool for the job, buy it, pay for it. It's going to help you in the long run. But here's how you can make Harbor Freight work for you. So as an example, I bought a Harbor Freight coolant pressure tester set. Didn't know how often I was going to need it. It was about 80 bucks and it worked okay. It wasn't great. It was not the best built. For 80 bucks, what do you expect? It fits like all makes. It came with like a nice little list in it of things you could do with it. And anyway, after I decided that I used that tool quite a bit, then I invested in the Mac Tools pressure tester set for cooling systems. And once I did that, it was one of those things where I didn't want to take the gamble for, this was about 300 bucks. I didn't want to do that right away. I wanted to see if I used it. So that's how you can make Harbor Freight work for you. If you want to try something, but you don't, maybe you get down the road and you don't ever use the damn thing, well, then you only spent a fraction of the price on the tool. You didn't go spending the big money on the name brand stuff right away. And then as a bonus, normally I take that stuff home. So if I upgrade a tool that I found out I'm going to use a lot, I'll bring the cheaper one home, and then I'm not carting tools around all the time. So you guys, that is how I think you can make Harbor Freight work for you. They have a great warranty process, and if there's something you just want to try out before you go out and spend the money on the name brand stuff, such as these couple items I've showed you, that can be a way that Harbor Freight is very useful, very handy. Some of their stuff is complete junk, some of it is okay. It's kind of up to you. Most of the time, the price point reflects that, and it's worth taking a gamble. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Shift Wrench Repeat is going to have weekly uploads from now on. I don't know exactly what the schedule is going to be like. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe down below. This hasn't changed. At 500 subscribers, 500, we're going to be giving away another tool. So anything you can do to help us grow, you guys, do it. Share the video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified every time we upload a video. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.